In this video, we are going to learn about dominance property in game theory. Earlier I have posted a video about the basic information, and also we have learnt minimax and maximum principle and odds method in game theory. You could find the link for that video is given in the description below. Now we are going to solve pure and mixed strategy problems by using dominance property. Dominance property is nothing but a dominated row or column may be deleted to reduce the size of the matrix, as optimum strategies of two players will remain unaffected. For solving the game by using dominance property, we have some rules. First one is, when all the elements in a row of a payoff matrix are less than or equal to the corresponding elements in another row, then the former row is dominated by the later, and therefore it is deleted from the payoff matrix. Second rule is, when all the elements in a column of a payoff matrix are greater than or equal to the corresponding elements in another column, then the former column is dominated by the later, and therefore it is deleted from the payoff matrix. That is, first rule is, when all the elements in a row of a payoff matrix are less than or equal to the corresponding elements in another row, then we have to delete the lesser row. That is, we have to delete row minimum, that is lesser values. So for example, if we are taking 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, okay, now this is strategies A1, A2, and this is B1, B2, B3. So compare these two rows. In the first row the values are 1, 2, 3, and in the second row 4, 5, 6. So all the elements in the first row is less than the elements in the second row. So we have to delete the lesser row. So lesser row means that is first row. So we have to delete this. So the reduced matrix will become 4, 5, 6. That is strategy A2. So instead of playing strategy A1, player A preferred to play strategy A2 to maximize his gain. Next, in the second rule, when all the elements in a column of a payoff matrix are greater than or equal to corresponding elements in another column, so we have to delete the greater column. Okay, that is column wise maximum. So for example, if you are considering the matrix 1, 2 and 3, 4. So in this matrix we have two columns. So that is B1, B2. So here first column values are 1, 3 and second column 2, 4. So comparing these two columns, second column values are greater than the first column. So we have to delete the maximum column, that is second one. 2 and 4 are the greater value, so we are deleting this. So the reduced payoff matrix is B1, that is 1 and 3. So this is for player B. So player B, this values, that is 2, 4 is the maximum loss. So instead of taking this strategy B2, player B has to select the strategy B1 to maximize his gain. Okay. Now we will solve few problems. So usually we have two types of problems. First one is games with pure strategy, and second type is game with mixed strategy. So now we will solve game with pure strategy problem. So we have an example. So in this example we have to find the optimal strategies and the value of the game by using dominance property. So before solving this game by using dominance property, first we'll find out row minimum, column maximum and the value of the game. Okay. So first we have to find row minimum value. This method I have already explained in my previous video. So first row wise minimum. So first consider first row. So the minimum value is 12 minus 6 minus 2. So the minimum is minus 6. In the second row 6, 7, 3, minimum value is 3, and in the third row minimum value is minus 10 minus 6. So the minimum is minus 10. Next, column wise maximum value, that is column max. So the maximum value here is 12, here 7 and here 3. Okay. So what is the minimax and maximum value? So minimax value is, so among this maximum value the minimum one is 3 and maximum value is, so out of these three minimum values, the maximum one is 3, right? So both the minimax and maximum values are 3. So therefore this game has a saddle point, and the value of the game, that is V, is nothing but 3. Okay. So in this problem we have a saddle point. So this is nothing but game with pure strategy problem. So the same problem we are going to solve by using the dominance property and check whether we'll get the same value of V. Okay. So first we have to consider the row wise dominance. So I am taking row 2 and row 3. So here we have 6, 7, 3, and the elements of row 3 are -10, -6, 2. So compare these two rows. So 6 is greater, and here 7 is greater, and here 3 is greater. So all the elements in the third row is less than the second row. Okay. So we have to delete third row, right? Because A3 is lesser than A2, because all the elements of A2 is greater. So we have to delete row 3, that is A3. So then the reduced payoff matrix is, so if we delete A3, we'll get the reduced payoff matrix, that is player A with strategy A1 and A2. Now we have to check again first two rows. So in the first row we have 12, and in the second row we have 6. Which is greater? 12 is greater. And move on to the second value, that is -6, 7. So which is greater? 7 is greater. So this is not possible, because one value is greater in strategy A1 and another one value is greater in A2. So there is no dominance. So now we will move on to the column wise checking. Okay. So column dominance. So first compare first column and third column, because first column we have the value 12, and in the third column -2. So which is greater? That is 12. And similarly here 6 and 3. So 6 is greater. So the elements of column 1 is greater than column 3. So we have to delete column 1, because column wise we have to delete the maximum column. So column wise maximum, and here row wise minimum row. So if you are deleting maximum column, so the first column will get deleted. So the remaining value is -6, -2, 7 and 3. So after deleting the first column, we'll get the remaining payoff matrix is player A has strategies A1 and A2, and player B strategies B2, B3. So these are the values, that is -6, -2, 7 and 3. Now again we have to check the row wise dominance. Okay. First consider first row -6, -2, and compare the second row 7 and 3. So the elements in the first row is less than the elements in the second row. So we have to delete the row wise minimum. Okay. So we have to delete the minimum values, that is we have to delete this row, because A1 is lesser than A2. So we have to delete A1. So after deleting row A1, we have the remaining payoff matrix, that is player A with strategy A2 and player B with strategy B2 and B3. So we have 7 and 3. In this reduced matrix we have only one row, that is A2, but we have two columns, right? 7 and 3. Now we have to check the column wise dominance, that is 7 and 3. So which column is greater? So the value 7 is greater, right? So we have to delete this column, that is strategy B2, because B2 is greater than B3. So we have to delete column wise maximum. So maximum value is 7. So we have to delete this. So what is the remaining value? That is 3. So delete B2. Then the remaining value is strategy A2 and 3 with strategy B3. So this is for player A, and this is for player B. So therefore the value of the game is 3, right? So what is optimum strategy for player A? That is A2. Optimum strategy for player B is B3, and the value of the game is 3. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, then please subscribe to my channel and click on like button. And for further notification, please click the bell icon. Thank you.